Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for the PTE Academic, you probably know that Pearson has recently introduced some big changes, and one of them is a brand new question type called Respond to a Situation. In this video, I'll break down exactly what this question is, how it works, and how you can score high with some simple strategies. So, stick around till the end. I'll even show you how to perform the task. In this question type, you'll listen to and read about a situation. After the audio ends, you'll have 10 seconds to prepare and 40 seconds to speak about the information given in the recording. Make sure you give a detailed answer. Number 1. You'll hear or see a short situation prompt. For example, you missed an important lecture at university. Now, call your professor and explain why. Number 2. You get 10 seconds to prepare and then you have to speak your response naturally for 40 seconds, just like you would in real life. Your answer is recorded and scored on content, oral fluency, and pronunciation. Meaning, you need to be clear, organized, and relevant. Why was it added? Pearson added this question type to test your practical communication skills. Can you respond naturally in an everyday academic or professional setting? It is no longer just about reading or repeating. It is about showing that you can think on your feet. Scoring criteria. How do you get a good score? The AI scoring looks for number 1, content up to 6 points, directly address the situation with logical ideas. It's not about fancy vocabulary, it's about communicating clearly and appropriately. Number 2, oral fluency up to 5 points. Speak at a natural pace without long pauses. Number 3, pronunciation up to 5 points. Clear and understandable speech. How to prepare? Here are some quick strategies. Number 1, think in patterns. Use simple structure like apology, reason, solution, or greeting, main point, closing. Number 2, practice with everyday scenarios. Imagine situations like calling a hotel to change a booking or explaining a delay to your professor. Number 3, keep it natural. Don't memorize long scripts, instead, learn short, reasonable phrases like I'm really sorry for the inconvenience or the reason I'm calling is. Number 4, use Guruli's updated platform. We have already added this question type to our mock tests and question bank, so you can get hands-on practice with real exam-like situations. Let's do a quick example. Okay, now I'll log into my account and we'll see the question. Now you have to click on the practice and scroll to the last part, which is respond to a situation. Okay, so we'll take this question, volunteer sign up, as a part of our practice.
You are interested in volunteering for community service projects to gain experience and contribute locally. You visit the Student Activities Office to ask about upcoming events and how you can register to participate as a student volunteer. What would you say?
As you can see, this question follows the pattern of greeting, main point, and closing. Hello, I am interested in participating in community service projects as a student volunteer. I'd like to gain valuable experience while contributing to local initiatives. Could you please provide information about upcoming community service events and guide me through the registration process? I am particularly interested in understanding what types of volunteer opportunities are available, any requirements I need to meet, and how I can officially register to participate in this meaningful community projects. Thank you so much for your assistance. Okay, now we'll see the score. As you can see, I scored 14.1 out of 16, and for the content part, I scored 5.1 out of 6. For the pronunciation part, I scored 4.5 out of 5, and for oral fluency, I scored 4.5 out of 5. So, if you keep on practicing like this, you can easily achieve your desirable score. So, that's everything you need to know about the new respond to situation question in PTE Academic. Start practicing now so you are confident and ready on test day. If you want real exam like questions with instant AI scoring, check out Guruli's updated PT platform. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PT prep tips. Good luck with your exam. You got this.